Hi there and welcome back to Epic English Tutorials on day 4 of my series 7 idioms in 7 days. So the idiom that I have chosen for today is to be tailor-made. When something is tailor-made, that means something is made specially for a particular or specific purpose. So you can use this idiom in a lot of scenarios which come in IELTS exam. It's not particularly for IELTS exam. If you are a student or a housewife or a working woman, you can use it on your job, you can use it in school to impress your colleagues, to impress your companions or peers that you have an amazing vocabulary bank. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into the video. So the first scenario that you can use this idiom in is to describe your favorite personality. When you go for your IELTS exam, usually the examiners ask you to describe the person who's your favorite personality or the person you admire the most. So you can say that you like a particular person, or let's say you like a particular celebrity. You can say, I like J.K. Rowling. She seems to be tailor-made to be a writer. Or you can say, I like Nelson Mandela as a politician. He seems to be tailor-made for this task because the qualities that he has are massively impressive. Or the third scenario can be that you like this particular chef or this particular designer. Her designs are a masterpiece and people from all walks of life admire this particular designer. He seems to be tailor-made for this task, or she seems to be tailor-made for this task. You can also describe your favorite artist or a painter. You can say you like the work of Picasso or any other painter. He seems to be tailor-made for this task. Also, you can speak about your favorite writer. You can say that I like reading classics. William Shakespeare is my favorite playwright. He seems to be tailor-made for this task. All his plays or dramas are a masterpiece. Particularly I like his tragedies, Hamlet or Othello. So I showed you how you can talk about your favorite celebrity. Now let's move on to the second scenario, which is you can describe that what do you want to be. For example, you can say that I want to be an IT professional. My aim is to design tailor-made software for people from different companies. Or you can also say that you want to be a designer or you want to be a painter and you are going to design custom-made. You can be an interior designer and you want to make custom-made plans or tailor-made plans for your customers. This is how you can use in the second scenario, that what do you want to be. Now let's look into the third scenario. Now let's talk about the third scenario. When I went for my IELTS exam, in the first part where the examiner is trying to ease you down and asking you baby questions or easy questions, the examiner also asked me to describe which is the favorite room of your house and why do you like that. So while talking about the favorite room of your house or the place in your house that you feel comfortable in, you can use this idiom as well. For example, you can say that you like your bedroom a lot. Why? Because you have tailor-made it for to feel comfortable. You've particularly kept your bed on one side, your study table on the other, and it's tailor-made to suit different jobs and different tasks that you do in the day. When you come back from work, you like to unwind and relax on your bed. When you have to prepare your lessons, if you're a teacher like me, then you use your study table. So you can say that I have kept everything tailor-made in my room which suits my profession, and everything is ready for me. I've customized everything as per my needs, as per my tasks and chores that I do in the day. So let me know in the comments below what are the things that are tailor-made for you, or what are the things that you want tailor-made to be tailor-made for you. I would love to know that. Hey, how are you doing? I just called you to convey my feelings to you. You know, your housewarming party was massively interesting. I had a time of my life attending the party. Yes. And you know, your interior designer is very impressive. She's gone an extra mile to make everything tailor-made for you, because things that were displayed everywhere in every nook and corner, they speak volumes of your taste. Yes, it suits your personality. It speaks about kind of person you are. I love everything. Okay, have fun in your new house. See you. Time to bid you farewell. That's a wrap up from my side on day 4th of my series 7 idioms in 7 days. I'm sure you can use them in different scenarios, different situations. How I use them in 3 different situations related to IELTS exam. Not only that, just if you are a housewife or a working woman or a student, use it in your daily life. Also use it in your written assignments when you are writing essays to impress the examiner with your massively interesting vocabulary bank. So, I will see you on day 5th of my series 7 idioms in 7 days. Let me know in the comments below what is it that's tailor made for you, what is it that you want to be tailor made for you. I would love to know that. I will see you tomorrow on day 5th of my series 7 idioms in 7 days. Till then, you take good care of yourselves. Ciao.